Welcome to another episode of Grateful
Every day!
I'm Pat. He's
Leon.
She's
Reggie.
and today we're going to make gluten-free pancakes. Okay, we just need 3 ingredients.
Okay,
Bibingka mix by San Miguel Mills.
Now the milk.
And then
Now this.
milk and 3 quail eggs. If you don't have quail eggs, just add in 1 medium chicken egg.
I want to make
And then
this.
stir completely. Okay,
And
show
then we
them.
put it in the pan.
First, Tita Suzette.
I need some more flowers. The eggs didn't dissolve. Well,
Thank you for the tiger, Lola
it's Mommy's
Duquesa.
turn. Mommy's your turn.
Congrats on your
Mommy,
new
your
baby, Tita
turn
Coco.
next.
Okay. So just put in some sesame oil in the pan
In the pan.
and then transfer.
Wait, I want to spill it.
Okay. 1, 2,
Spill.
3, go.
I want to spill.
They're peeking in over the dirty
Mommy.
kitchen.
Mommy, the pancakes are done. And bumped his head. Now I go to the doctor and the doctor said, what happened to your hand? So dirty.
So Leji will put some condensed milk on hers and Leon will
Put some chocolate syrup. I think it's enough. I can't squish it. There you go.
There, I made a
Wow,
heart.
some chocolate syrup.
There you go.
It's in the plate. It's not them right
Okay,
now.
try it.
Let's try it, Aeon. Okay, get a fork and get ready. I want to try my condensed milk part. Mmm.
You like it?
Mmm.
More chocolate? You like it?
Yeah.
Like, dislike, or medium?
Medium. But don't press medium. Then subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button.
Okay.
That's what I said. But don't press the video. It's yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's sweet.
What's yummier, the chocolate or the vanilla? You like the chocolate one better?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Bye!
Bye. But don't press the button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.